Are you selling your home without an agent and want to ensure you're getting top dollar? Hi, my name is Chris Porter, also known as the Chris P. Realtor. I am a proud member of the Synergy United Real Estate Group, the SURE Group. We are brokered by eXp Realty. We want to make sure your for sale by owner experience is a great one. So here are some tips for how you can professionally prepare your home to be sold and beat out your competition. Number 1, disassociate from your home. Letting go of your home can be difficult. You've lived there possibly for years and the house holds many memories. However, being overly emotionally attached to the thing you're trying to sell can harm you more than it helps you. Look towards the future where you can make new memories in your new home. Realize that your emotional attachment is not necessarily because of the house or building itself, it's because of the people who occupy it. Your next house will feel like home before you know it, especially when you personalize the space and make new memories.
Number 2, depersonalize your house. Pack up your personal photographs, family heirlooms, and other objects and clutter that might distract potential buyers and hurt a possible sale. You want to present buyers with an impersonal, clean environment so they can visualize the home with their own photographs, furniture, and design. Regarding furniture, only leave understated pieces that are not a distraction and don't create an unintended impression. As amazing as that cheetah print couch might be, it could easily distract or turn away buyers from the home. Overall, the goal is to make it easy for buyers to mentally picture living there. You want them to start moving their items into their home mentally. Number 3, declutter your house. People tend to collect an impressive amount of stuff over the years. This could be because of emotional attachment, an intention to reuse or fix the items, or a wish to pass them on to others. Preparing to sell your house is a great time to go through these items and see if you need them. A good rule of thumb is if you haven't used it in over a year, you probably don't need it. Remove books from the bookshelves and clean everything off of the kitchen counter. Essential items that you use daily can be tucked away in small boxes that you can place in a closet when they're not in use. Decluttering not only opens up the space and makes your home look cleaner, it also helps buyers visualize themselves living there. Consider this process an efficient way to start packing.
Number 4, organize bedroom closets and storage cabinets. Buyers will be curious about storage space and will want to check closets and cabinets. It's important that these are organized as it sends a negative message if your storage spaces are cluttered with items falling out. When a buyer sees everything organized down to the last detail, it shows that you take care of your possessions and likely took good care of the house. It may seem excessive, but even alphabetizing your spice cabinet, neatly stacking dishes, or turning coffee mugs so the handles are facing the same way can be a good way to catch the eyes of potential buyers. In closets, shirts should be buttoned and hung together, and shoes should be lined up neatly. Number 5, consider renting a storage unit. As we've said, almost every home attracts buyers more with less furniture. Renting a storage unit is a great way to tuck away your belongings while the home is being sold. Remove pieces that block or obstruct paths and walkways and put them in storage along with distracting furniture, artwork, and empty bookcases. Leave just enough furniture to showcase the room's purpose with plenty of room for buyers to move around.
Number 6, remove or replace favorite items. If you plan on taking certain window coverings, built-in appliances, or fixtures with you, remove them prior to showing the house. If the chandelier in the dining room once belonged to your great-grandmother, be sure to take it down before a buyer sees it and ask if that is included with the house. Telling a buyer they cannot have an item that appears with the house and enhances its appeal can hurt the sale. 7, make minor repairs. In some sellers markets, you can sell a home in lived-in condition without much complaint. But in normal markets or a buyer's market, repairs can make or break a sale. Replace cracked floor or counter tiles and patch any holes in the walls. Fix leaky faucets and doors that don't close properly, as well as kitchen drawers that jam. Consider painting walls neutral colors, especially if they're currently hot pink or purple. Don't give buyers any reason to remember your home as the one with the orange bathroom. Replace burned out light bulbs and also consider replacing the ones that have been in service for a while. Avoid the potential of having a bulb blow out when you flip the light switch during a showing. It's a small incident that can easily be avoided if you are mindful. You want the buyer's experience to be as positive as possible. Throw open the curtains and blinds and turn on those lights. Houses show better when each room is clean and bright.
Number 8, make the house sparkle. Preparing your home to be viewed by potential buyers may require hiring a professional cleaning crew. Cleaning may include washing the windows inside and out, renting a pressure washer and spraying down sidewalks and the exterior, recalking tubs, showers, and sinks, and polishing chrome faucets and kitchen appliances. Make sure all of the dust is removed from under the furniture, in the cabinets and closets, and everywhere else it could be hiding. Try to maintain this cleanliness by vacuuming prior to showings or open houses, waxing floors, dusting furniture, and keeping the bathrooms and kitchen spotless. Hang up fresh guest towels. Also keep the toilet lid closed when it is not in use. Kitchens are a big selling point for many buyers, so make sure yours is as spotless and uncluttered as possible. In the event someone opens your refrigerator, make sure it appears clean and orderly. Above all, clean and air out any musty areas. The night before a showing, avoid cooking particularly odorous foods such as fish, garlic, or cabbage. These smells can linger the day after. Also, if you have pets, monitor litter boxes or any other areas affected by pets. 9. Scrutinize curb appeal. A potential sale is lost quickly if a buyer won't even get out of their agent's car because the exterior of your home turns them off. Make the exterior more appealing and welcoming by painting your front door a neutral color that matches the house, perhaps adding a wreath of dried wildflowers or placing 1 or 2 flower pots on your front porch. Hire a landscaper to clean up your lawn and add a few new shrubs or flowering plants. Consider hiring a contractor to fix any cracks on your front steps or walkway. Also, make sure visitors can clearly see your house number.
Number 10, the final step. Back inside your home, linger in the doorway of each room and imagine how your house will look to a buyer. Examine how the furniture is arranged and rearrange pieces until the room achieves visual appeal. Make sure window coverings hang evenly. Once you've cleaned and gotten everything repaired and organized, you can begin staging your home. This is only the beginning of the for sale by owner process. We have built great reputations and relationships with industry professionals that can assist with decluttering, cleaning, repairing, and staging so your home makes the best first impression to buyers. If you find you need assistance with this process, give us a call as we are happy to help. My name is Todd Porter, also known as Utah Todd. I'm one of the founders of Synergy United Real Estate Group, the Sure Group. We are brokered by XP Realty. Remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Now let's go make it a great home buying and selling day.